Hello friends, let's see how to make an easy microwave cake today. This is the basic cake. For this, take 1 cup of milk. Let this be at the room temperature. To this, add 1 cup of sugar, equal quantity of milk and equal quantity of sugar, and mix well till the sugar is completely dissolved in the milk. Now the sugar is completely dissolved. Take a sieve. To this add 1.5 cups of plain flour maida, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now I've given all the amount and recipe in the description box. You can please check it there. Sieve it well. Now we have sieved everything together. Mix well. This is a very easy way to make cake in the microwave, and it will be ready in 5 minutes. This is Eggless Butterless, and the oil we are going to add is also optional. Even without the oil, it will come out very well. Now to this, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Tap it twice gently and keep it inside the microwave. Microwave for 5 minutes. Insert a toothpick or a stick inside, and if it comes out clean, then your cake is well cooked. Now this has taken 7 minutes in my microwave. Please adjust the timings according to your microwave. It will take anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes. Now instead of lemon juice, you can also add vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar for this. Now your base cake is ready. Let it, after this cools down, we can start making pieces. You can see that the cake is nice, spongy. This is a foolproof recipe for microwave cake. Please try it. And this is the base cake. Now you can do any modifications in this. I will do a next posting on what all modifications can be done with this, the basic cake recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.